how to screen record on Snapchat without them knowing. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can screen record on Snapchat without them knowing. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Now if you go to your chat section and then open up any snap or chat, and if you screen record, then they will get notified that you have screen record the chat. But if you like to do that without that notification, there is a trick, and here is how you can do that. Before you open up the chat or snap, make sure you have turned off your Wi-Fi connection, and after that simply turn on your airplane mode. After you turn on the airplane mode, now you can simply go to that chat and then screen record that chat. After you're done, turn off the screen recorder and then again go back. Now before you turn on your mobile Wi-Fi or your cellular data or your mobile data, make sure you install the Snapchat application. Once you install that, turn on your Wi-Fi and install it from Google Play Store, and then log into your Snapchat account again. And if you go and open that chat section, there will not be any kind of notification that says that you have screen recorded. So that's how you screen record on Snapchat without them knowing. And that's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.